Hello, everyone, and welcome to Fun Steps Academy. Today, we will talk about something really interesting and important: how to break a big problem into small steps. Big problems feel overwhelming because they're too large to process at once. This isn't weakness, it's how the brain works. The key insight: any big problem becomes manageable when broken down. Why big problems feel overwhelming? The brain has limited working memory, 4 to 7 items at once. Large problems exceed this limit, causing confusion and paralysis. Solution: don't think harder, think smaller. The science of decomposition. Decomposition means breaking complex problems into smaller parts. Used in engineering, software, and space missions. Each part is solved separately, then combined into a final solution. Divide and conquer method. Break the problem into smaller pieces repeatedly. Solve each part step by step. Combine results to solve the whole problem. Key idea: you never solve the big problem directly. 5-step problem breakdown framework. Define the problem clearly. Decompose into smaller parts. Prioritize what to solve first. Solve one step at a time. Combine and review the final solution. Cognitive load theory in practice. 3 types of mental load: intrinsic, problem complexity; extraneous, distractions or unnecessary difficulty; germane, useful thinking for learning. Breaking problems reduces overload and improves efficiency. Mind mapping, visual breakdown. A mind map visually organizes problems into branches, helps reduce mental load and clarify structure, makes complex problems easier to understand and act on. SMART goals, turning steps into action. Each step should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Converts plans into clear, actionable tasks. Analysis paralysis, the trap. Overthinking prevents action. Planning doesn't equal solving. Solutions: start small, 2-minute rule, take imperfect action, set a planning time limit, focus only on the next step. Yay! Now it's time for an MCQ quiz. Let's see what you've learned. 1. What is cognitive load? A. The weight of a textbook. B. The amount of information working memory can process at once. C. The speed at which you read. D. The number of subjects you study. Answer: B. The amount of information working memory can process at once. 2. What does decomposition mean in problem solving? A. Giving up on a difficult problem. B. Memorizing each part of a problem. C. Breaking a complex problem into smaller subproblems. D. Solving all parts simultaneously. Answer: C. Breaking a complex problem into smaller subproblems. 3. What is the core principle of the divide and conquer method? A. Solve the biggest part first. B. Ignore small problems. C. Divide the problem, solve parts independently, combine results. D. Work faster under pressure. Answer: C. Divide the problem, solve parts independently, combine results. 4. What does the S in SMART goals stand for? A. Simple. B. Sequential. C. Specific. D. Strategic. Answer C. Specific. 5. What is analysis paralysis? A. A study technique. B. Overthinking that prevents taking action. C. A type of memory loss. D. Solving too many problems at once. Answer B. Overthinking that prevents taking action. 6. What is the main benefit of mind mapping a problem? A. It makes the problem disappear. B. It replaces the need for planning. C. It externalizes thinking and reduces cognitive load. D. It speeds up reading. Answer C. It externalizes thinking and reduces cognitive load. 7. According to cognitive load theory, which type of load builds real understanding? A. Extraneous load. B. Intrinsic load. C. Germane load. D. Surface load. Answer C. Germane load. 8. What is the first step of the 5-step problem breakdown framework? A. Prioritize. B. Decompose. C. Combine. D. Define the problem clearly. Answer D. Define the problem clearly. I hope all your answers were correct. Comment down below and compare with the others. Finally, it's time for the fun fact of the video. Moon landing required solving 10,000 plus small problems. No single person understood everything. Success came from breaking the mission into parts. Every big problem is made of smaller, solvable pieces. The brain struggles with complexity, not capability. The method? Define, decompose, prioritize, solve step by step. Big achievements happen one small step at a time. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Fun Steps Academy. See you in the next one.